How are you today? I hope all of you always in a good health. Now, today we will study about farm animal. Now, what is farm animal? So many farm animal here. Let me see one by one. For the first is horse. Horse. For the baby horse, we call it foal. Foal. And then here we have cow. Cow. For the baby cow, we call it calf. Calf. And here, look, this is dog. Dog. For the baby dog, we call puppy. Puppy. And then goat. Goat. Now, baby goat we call kid. Kid. Then here, look, the color is pink. What is this? This is pig. Pig. And the baby pig we call piglets. Piglets. And then here, look, what is this on the pond? This is duck. Duck. The baby duck, look, the baby duck swimming on the pond. This is ducklings. Ducklings. And look, what is this? This one always waking us in the morning, right? How the sound? The sound is kukuruyu. Nah, anyone can guess what is this? This is rooster. Rooster. Then there is hen. Hen. Hen can produce the egg. And then baby hen we call it chick. Chicks. Chicks. And then the last is sheep. Sheep. The baby sheep we call lamb. Lamb. Now, all of these farm animal has their own benefit for us. For the example, look, cow. Cow, we can eat the meat from cow and then we can drink milk from cow. And then goat also, we can eat it. This meat and we can drink this milk also from goat. And then duck. Duck same like hen or chicken. Duck and chicken is same. It can produce the egg for we eat. And then sheep. Sometimes we use their fur. The name is wool. And then look at this. Pig. Pig. Now, pig, we can eat pig also. But for Muslim, cannot eat yeah. But for non-Muslim, for example is Christian or Catholic, can eat pig. But for Muslim, we cannot eat pig, ya. Nah, Look, so many benefits of this animal. So we are for being human. We have to care with animals. We have to keep animals, and we have to say thanks because this animal has so many benefits for us. Now I think this is all for our lesson today. See you on the next video.